This is coriander chicken angara. Trust me, once you make it, you'll definitely make it on repeat. Everybody will love it and taste better than the restaurant. To make this in a blender, I've added in some ginger, cashews, mint leaves, coriander leaves. Next, I'm adding in some garlic cloves. Next, I'm adding in green chilies for the spiciness. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. I've added in turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala powder, chaat masala, salt, cardamom powder, pepper powder, and then you need to add in curd and then blend it into a coarse paste. We don't need smooth paste. This is the coarse paste, how it looks like. Transfer it to a bowl, and once you transfer it to the bowl, squeeze in one lemon juice and then mix it, and then you need to marinate the chicken. Here for the chicken, I would suggest you either taking a thigh piece or a leg piece and add in slit like this, because that is where these pieces turns out to be juicy and tender. So marinate the chicken or massage the chicken really very well with this masala. Now if you're an office person, or if you want to marinate this like a meal prep, or if you're going to the gym, this is high protein, guilt free. Trust me, you can make this marinate over the weekend and keep it in the fridge. Whenever you want, you can make it. Otherwise you can marinate it overnight, completely your choice, or 30 minutes is enough for to marinate. But to get the best flavors, you can do it overnight, or for a week you can do the meal prep and keep it. Now again, there are different ways of making this. You can air fry it at 180 degree for around 25 minutes, or you can pan fry it with, if you want, you can drizzle a little bit of butter or oil, completely your choice, and cook it really very well till it's nicely and charred. Look at the chicken, isn't it looking beautiful? It's, trust me, when you make this, your neighbors will come knocking the door. So nicely it tastes out to be. Everybody will love it, and you can serve it with pickled onions or salads of your choice. This is how I'm serving it. I air fried it. See this, you can serve it like this. Otherwise, to look presentable, you can put foil over the legs. And trust me, make this. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy.